So you have your color lookups in Photoshop with all the presets of different LUTs you can apply, but in After Effects, you don't quite have the same thing. So you've probably noticed if you search LUT, you have the same general color lookup effect, but it's looking for the actual preset. Like it doesn't have it by default, like that big list like Photoshop does. So to get that, what you want to do is just route that file path to the LUT file in your Photoshop program files. So in this case, I have it on the C drive. So if you go to this location, copy this, and I'll just paste it, you can see all of the color profiles or color lookups from Photoshop. So like if I wanted a crisp, warm look, you can see it applies it. Unlike Photoshop, you can't just go down the list and see which one you want. You got to click each one every time. So it's a bit slow. So I recommend you just export that frame and then bring it into Photoshop where you can go down the list, and then whichever one you like, you can apply that LUT in After Effects. It's a bit quicker that way. But yeah, hope that helps. And if not, let me know.